Buying online? It can feel like a gamble. But what if I told you there's a smart way to know you're getting the best without getting scammed? Step 1. Start with Amazon's bestseller list. These rankings update hourly based on real sales. If a product consistently ranks high, like the KitchenAid Mixer, you're looking at a proven winner. Step 2. Dive into customer reviews. Look for verified purchases, detailed photos, and both pros and cons. High volume and high rating, like 4.7 stars with 40,000 plus reviews, is a green flag. Step 3. Understand what you're buying. Product specs, attachments, warranty, and usage guides tell you if it fits your needs. For instance, this mixer comes with 10 speeds and 15 plus compatible attachments. Versatility at its best. Step 4. Don't stop at one listing. Compare it with similar products. Sometimes a cheaper version lacks warranty or is made from weaker materials. A trusted brand wins for durability. Step 5. Always check the return policy and warranty. Products sold by Amazon or fulfilled by Amazon are safer bets. They offer easy returns and manufacturer warranties. Bottom line? Trust the data. Use Amazon's tools, rankings, reviews, specs, and policies to your advantage. When you shop smart, products like the KitchenAid stand mixer won't disappoint.